is cholesterol a disease? No, cholesterol is a symptom. So, why do this cholesterol exhibit this much symptoms? Yeah, we know. Anything in food, if it is excess, it is shown in our body. Same it is happening here also. So we know, here we know about HDL cholesterol and LDL cholesterol. So what is HDL cholesterol? We have to fear HDL cholesterol, isn't it? So HDL cholesterol is high density lipoprotein. So what is happening here? Actually, it is taking the excess of fat or excess of cholesterol from the liver and is depositing in the body. When this get deposited in the body, what happen? It may create plaque and all. But LDL cholesterol, what it is doing? It is actually taking these deposited fat from the body to the liver and again processing and excreting it. So let's learn about saturated fat and unsaturated fat. And what is this saturated fat? Saturated fat is seen in many of our processed food. And unsaturated fat is seen in our groundnut oil and also in olive oil, etc. So let's go with unsaturated fat. And what are the main tips we can do to control? The main tips what we can do to control is that without exercise we cannot control cholesterol. So let's do exercise about 30 to 45 minutes a day. Do Surya Namaskara 3 to 5 times a day. 3 to 5 round. Okay, 3 to 5 round a day. Then what to do? Yes, let's include garlic in our food. But is it good to take garlic in empty stomach? No, it is not good to take garlic in empty stomach. So we must take garlic, 3 to 5 garlic we have to take in between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, because that's the best time. And avoid this fried items, this potato, bread items and all. If you are continuously relying on this and pasta, what happens is that your cholesterol level is not going to get reduced. So it is very important you must cut these type of food items. Include a lot of fruits and vegetables in your diet. Next, what you have to do is that let's prepare a whole gram soup. So how do we prepare a whole gram soup? What we have to do is that 1 cup of whole gram, we have to put it in 1 cup of whole gram, we have to put in 4 hours in the water. Next day morning, what we have to do is that we will be adding a little tomato, a little pepper into the diet. Okay. And along with the water, we will be preparing a soup. So it is very good. And next what we can do is that let's prepare an Ayurvedic cholesterol recipe. So an Ayurvedic cholesterol recipe, how we can prepare? In 100 ml of milk and 100 ml of water, what we will be doing is that we will be putting a 10 gram of garlic and we will be boiling and we will be reducing this to water level. Okay, and we will be taking. So hoping that these tips are very much helpful for you. And let me tell you a beautiful tip also. Instead of curd, let's take a buttermilk, and in this buttermilk what we can do, let's add a little ashtachurnam or tripalachurnam. Ask your doctor also and take this. Okay. So friends, don't go for any easy home remedy. So what I can tell you is that do exercise. If you do exercise 30 to 45 minutes only, we will be getting a good result for the cholesterol. Okay. Thank you dear.